Disclaimer: all stunts performed in this video are done in a controlled professional environment where no one is able to get hurt.
You see it. YouTube, what's going on? It's talk about Legendary Jost or SRT Jost. You guys can call me whatever you want. So today I'm going to give you guys a little vlog. I'm going to the gym. So it's gonna be like a little small vlog. If you can. Actually, hold on. Just gym and driving a little bit. So let me go ahead and give you guys a little cold start. I don't know if you guys can hear me because this thing is loud, so I might just give you guys a little vlog today. Something simple, some small vlog. The car is currently dirty right now though, I ain't gonna lie. Because it's been raining. Ever since I've been at the crib, it's just been, I don't know if you guys can hear me, but ever since I've been at the crib, it's just been raining every single day, so I really haven't really got a car wash just because if I get a car wash, then 30 minutes later, it just starts raining. So it's just like, bro, it's not even worth it at this point because all it does here is just rain every single day. So it really don't even matter. So I'm like, is it worth it to actually get it washed? Because if I do, then I'm basically just wasting money. So, but yeah, I ain't doing nothing too crazy today. I'm just giving you guys a little vlog. I'm going to the gym, posting some content. I'm just letting the car warm up. You feel me? It's a cat, and look at the MPG, 300 miles. But yeah, it's not like that every day though. It's because I had a little road trip, and you know, that boy I had to use me the cruise control, so you got 300 miles. But I'm gonna also give you guys a little POV drive too. But it ain't gonna be nothing too crazy though, cause damn, through the neighborhood is crazy. Slow down, folks. I'm gonna give you guys a little nice POV. Boy, it's hot. Why is it so hot today, bro? I kind of rock with it though. I can actually do more stuff when it's hot. I gotta be careful because my front splitter, these roads are awful, so I gotta be careful. Cause look, you see that? It's just like, bro, it's like these roads are actually like, and they've been like that since I was like younger too. It's just like, bro, fix them, please. But I don't know if that's gonna happen. Is that 12? Is that 12 just chilling? Oh God, it is. Imagine you pulled me over. I'll be weak. Thank God I wasn't speeding right there. He would have got my ass. I thought he pulled in for a second. I just want to say, yo, he finna come get me. that my wallet? What just drew? I forgot to change this. Yeah, there's literally nobody in front of you. Like, speed up. But one thing I hate is people who drives and they just stay in the left lane. Like, bro, I'm trying to like get somewhere. Like, can you move? It's like, what's the point of just sitting there? Like, but that's like the most annoyingest thing ever as a driver. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna just go up there. But after this, I think I need to go to the car wash too, because the car is dirty as hell. I don't like having my car really dirty, so I think I'm gonna go to the car wash because I need to get a wash. Is that a black wing? No, I don't know. No, it's not. But yeah, I do need to go car wash. 12. Ooh, you see that? That thing clean. This light is horrible. that thing was popping. But no, I'm going to end the video right here. I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one.